what I got. You turn the heat on me, some like it.
Billy Joe, you catch anything down there?
Not a thing. You?
Yeah, I think I got something. No. Hey, Scooter.
Yeah?
Did you see that mighty fine possum on the way over here?
No, if I would have seen it, we would have just stopped and picked it up. We could have had possum soup instead of these nasty sandwiches.
Yeah. Ugh.
Come on, y'all. They ain't that bad. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I thought you said they weren't nasty.
Yeah, Billy Joe. Here, go. Oh my god! That did not help.
Want to try mine?
No, they're so hot. Whew. Try the new Hardee's jalapeno pepper jack patties melt at your own risk.
They're good.
Yum.